In this video, I will show you how to create a form in Monday.com. So first go to your workspace and then under main table right here next to that you can see plus and then it will say add view. So when you click on that, this drop down menu will appear. Then here under board views, here you can see form. So go ahead and click on form. And then right here you can create your form. So you can give it a name and then here you see workspace that you are adding it to. And then you can give it a due date, a status, and the priority. Then you can add files and a timeline. So I'll fill this in right now. Then when you're done, you can click on submit. And now as you can see, your form was submitted successfully. So now right here, you can see the form that I just created. So it's called create a video. And then you can open it by clicking right here. And then here you can write an update. Here you can see the files that you added and the activity log. So that's how you can create a form in Monday.com.